In this video, I'm going to talk about employee experience. So you will learn what does employee experience entail, what are the do's and don'ts, and what is really happening when it comes to employee experience. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive, turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Well, creating employee experience is something which is often talked about, and there are a lot of organizations which are also implementing it in different ways. It's part of their, the core values where they say कि हम अपने employees को asset मानते हैं, उन्हें ऐसे treat करते हैं, ये experience देते हैं, and it goes on, right? Now, the big question is, the content is all great, but reality, walk the talk की जब हम बात करते हैं, तो क्या हो रहा है? क्या वो एम्प्लॉई वास्तव में एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है जो हम क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हम देते हैं, या हम जो क्लेम करते हैं कि हम ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, कर रहे हैं थ्रू these इनिशिएटिव्स, क्या वास्तव में वो एम्प्लॉई महसूस कर रहा है? तो जो सबसे पहली चीज आती है, एम्प्लॉय एक्सपीरियंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्या ये जरूरी है? आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज वेरी वेरी बेसिक. इट्स नॉट अ लग्जरी. Although seeing the numbers of the organizations who really provide that kind of an experience, it may sound to be a luxury, but it's important that we understand this is basic. Today, there are so many options that employee has that it's no more limited to, oh, I'm paying the salary which takes care of his bills, his EMIs, and his kids' school fees and all of that. No. He can just walk out. He's willing to try out newer options. He's willing to take risks, and it's fine. So, हम उसे कैसा महसूस करा रहे हैं, right? is going to make all the difference. उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वो कैसा महसूस कर रहा है, और वो कैसा महसूस करेगा ये डिपेंड करेगा उसकी नीड्स पर, उसकी लाइक्स पर, उसकी डिसलाइक्स पर, जो सबके लिए अलग है. Something, certain initiatives in an organization will appeal to somebody, may not appeal at all to the other person, right? So I think it's important to understand, what does experience really entail? Is it about मैंने ये दे दिया, मैंने वो दे दिया, मैंने ये चीज initiate की, or is it something deeper? अगर when I take it to your family, you have your spouse, your parents, your kids, all of them. If one of them doesn't feel upbeat, in their spirits, what do? So if your parent, or let's say your spouse, they're just feeling low, or they're not feeling up for it, आपको दिख रहा है कि कुछ सही नहीं है, तो आप क्या करते हो? आप ये बोलते हो कि नहीं, come on, we are going for a picnic tomorrow. Or, oh, you know what, I'm going to buy you a gift. What do you want? You don't do that. आप उनके साथ बैठते हो, वक्त भी बिताते हो, और ये फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश करते हो कि क्या चैलेंज है. And until they are fine, you are also somewhere a little disturbed. Coming to the organization, what if you're able to treat your employees just like the family member? It's just contextual that I'm talking. With the same context, of course, the treatments are going to vary, but I'm saying, जो मैं वहाँ लिख रही हूँ, that this is the experience I want to give, this is what I feel, versus जो हो रहा है really, उसमें gap कब होता है? जब मैं उसे महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ. when it's not flowing within me, when I'm not living that. It's only on paper. And that is what happens. It's for you to see कि आपकी organization में अगर वो experience नहीं है, अगर employees बोलते हैं कि मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, or they're not very upbeat about it, they're not enjoying coming back to work every day, what is the kind of experience that they're having? Do you really have a mechanism to find that out? Do you have the kind of bond, the connect where they will transparently, openly share with you as a boss or with the HR? So, हम relatedness की बात तो कर रहे हैं. एक example अगर हम लेते हैं, COVID है, people want to belong, they want to feel related. Now that's a basic thing. ये पहले भी था. COVID ने तो इसे सिर्फ highlight किया है, reinforce किया है. क्या हम पहले belong नहीं करना चाहते थे? पहले relatedness नहीं था? Now we have time, now because it's COVID, it's fiercer, कि हम इस पर ध्यान दे रहे हैं. So people also wanted to do that earlier. The whole thing is कि क्या वो आज belongingness महसूस करते हैं? Do they feel that yes, if there's anything, I know I'm taken care of. My boss is there, I can walk up to him. And then that boss feels my boss is there, I can walk up to him. And then it goes on. So which means वो ऊपर से flow करता है. When at the level of organization, that's what we are living, employee experience. ये create करना है. This is what it is. When it is drilled down into everybody, then it flows down until the bottom. So I'm sure we've all experienced where what you're saying and what's really there, what the experience of the other person is, उसमें gap है. And you have to trust the employee for that. I may think I'm giving an amazing experience, but the point is whether he's feeling it or not. So I can't say, no, he's not feeling it. That's his problem. That's his issue. He's operating from here, that. I am giving everything. No. If it's not reaching the other person, that's something you've got to look at. So I hope you found this meaningful. I hope you get the message, the core message, which is that it is established that creating employee experience is very, very important. It is critical. It's no more a luxury. It is basic. But at the same time, what does that experience really mean for me? One initiative, two initiative here and there, or is it something much deeper? Something which shows in my way of being, because it's so much a part of me that it's a culture. It's become part. That's where the organization lives from, that, every employee experiences this. And that's what you're living. That will excite every employee. Trust me. Every employee. And he would want to be a part of the organization. Great. So do share what your views are on this. Would love to hear from you all. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you found this meaningful, and I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.